Welcome students. Now today we are going to start exercise 10.1 on vectors. Question number 1, represent graphically a displacement of 40 kilometer 30 degree east of north. 40 किलोमीटर इसका मैग्नीट्यूड है और डायरेक्शन है 30 डिग्री ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ. So first we'll draw 4 direction: north, south, east, west. So this is our origin of reference. 40 किलोमीटर ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ, तो ईस्ट नॉर्थ क्वाड्रेंट होगा. तो अब 30 डिग्री मुझे एंगल बनाना है ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ. तो ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ लिखा ना, जो बाद में लिखा होता है उसके साथ एंगल बनेगा. 30 डिग्री ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ का मतलब है ईस्ट नॉर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में नॉर्थ के साथ 30 डिग्री एंगल. दिस एंगल इज 30 डिग्री. So this is the direction of the vector. Let the desired vector be OP. Then OP, you have to take distance as 40 kilometer and this is the direction. So this OP represent required vector. Now we'll do next question. In this question you have to clarify the following measure as scalar and vector. First, 10 kg is scalar as it has magnitude but no direction, so it is scalar only. Number 2, 2 meters northwest is vector as it has both magnitude and direction. नॉर्थ वेस्ट इसकी डायरेक्शन होगी. व्हेन वी से नॉर्थ वेस्ट तो इसका मतलब 45 डिग्री का एंगल. नॉर्थ वेस्ट, ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ, नॉर्थ वेस्ट दिस क्वाड्रेंट, और एंगल नहीं दिया होता तो 45 डिग्री. सो दिस इज द वेक्टर. 2 मीटर इसका मैग्नीट्यूड है. ये 2 मीटर ले लीजिए, ये पॉइंट P. सो दिस इज द वेक्टर. सो दिस इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. देन थर्ड, 40 डिग्री इज स्केलर as it has no magnitude, as it has magnitude but no direction. So we have to just write scalar or vector in this case. Fourth, 40 watt is scalar, again for the same reason. Fifth, 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb is scalar as it has magnitude only. Seventh, 20 meter per second square, ये acceleration है. So this is a vector as it has both magnitude and direction. Now next is question number 3. Classify the following as scalar and vector quantity. तो सेम टाइप का क्वेश्चन है. टाइम पीरियड is scalar as it has magnitude but not no direction. Distance is scalar. 40 किलोमीटर 50 किलोमीटर जब तक डायरेक्शन नहीं है तो वो डिस्टेंस होती है और वो स्केलर होती है. फोर्स is vector because force is applied in a certain direction. It is mass into acceleration. Acceleration is vector quantity. Velocity is vector. Velocity is a vector quantity. Speed is not vector. Work done. is scalar quantity. Now in this figure, question number 4, we have to first identify the co-initial vector, means initial point is same. So you can see this vector A and this vector D, they have same initial point. But when you say see vector C, C का इनिशियल पॉइंट ये है और B का इनिशियल पॉइंट ये है, तो these are no कोलिनियर co-initial. So first part is co-initial vectors A and D have same initial point, are co-initial. Number 2, equal vectors कब होते हैं? When they are in the same direction and same magnitude. A and D in C are opposite direction, not in the same direction. Now you can see D and B are in the same direction, and as they are in the same direction and parallel, so they will be equal. So we can say B vector is equal to D vector. So second part is B is D vector. Then collinear but not equal. Two vectors are collinear if they are parallel to same line. So A and C are parallel to same line and their direction is not same. So third में A and C are collinear because they are parallel. Parallel vectors, two vectors are collinear के लिए condition यही काफ़ी है, they are parallel and they are not equal, but not equal. B and D are also collinear, but they are in the same direction, so they will be equal क्योंकि इनके मैग्नीट्यूड इक्वल दे रखे, रेक्टेंगल बना हुआ ना ये. नेक्स्ट, आर द फॉलोइंग, आंसर द फॉलोइंग एज ट्रू और फॉल्स. फर्स्ट, ट्रू, because if A is this, then minus A will be of equal magnitude and in opposite direction. So A and minus A are parallel, and two vectors, if they are parallel, they are collinear. Number 2, two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude. It's not true. These two are collinear. Two vectors are collinear or three vectors are collinear if they are parallel to same line. So A and B, we can think of they are parallel to this same line L, but they are of not equal magnitude. So false. आप एग्जाम्पल लिखना चाहें क्योंकि इसमें हमें ट्रू फॉल्स पूछा है, जैसे आई यूनिट वेक्टर अलॉन्ग एक्स एक्सिस. अगर मैं 2 डायमेंशन में लूँ तो यूनिट वेक्टर अलॉन्ग एक्स एक्सिस इज आई, तो एक 2i वेक्टर भी ले सकते हैं इसी डायरेक्शन में जिसकी लेंथ 2 यूनिट होगी. सो दे आर कोलिनियर बट देयर मैग्नीट्यूड इज नॉट सेम. थर्ड, टू वेक्टर्स हैविंग सेम मैग्नीट्यूड आर कोलिनियर, नॉट नेसेसरी. दीज आर टू वेक्टर्स से इनका दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड से 2 है और इसकी डायरेक्शन ये है, ये भी 2 लेंथ का वेक्टर है, इसकी डायरेक्शन ये है, तो these two are not equal but they have same magnitude, so it is also false. Two collinear vector having the same magnitude are equal, they may be opposite also. जैसे फर्स्ट केस ये देखा हमने, these are two collinear vectors having the same magnitude but their direction may be opposite, so not necessarily they are always equal. So in the next class we'll discuss exercise 10.2.